The Liquid Injection System, LIS, is the first technology allowing for automated feeding of liquids into shake flask cultures. It consists of two main components, the LIS cartridge and the LIS drive. The cartridge is a sterile single-use container in the shape of a shake flask lid. It can be filled with up to 25 milliliters of the desired feeding liquid. To close the cartridge, one first needs to seal it airtight with a lid. Afterwards, it's equipped with a sterile filter to protect the liquid in the cartridge from contamination. Now the drive can be installed on the cartridge. The drive is a programmable miniature pump which controls the feeding of the liquid from the cartridge into the shake flask. The miniature pump inside the drive can pump air through the sterile filter out of and into the cartridge. Hence, it can actively control the pressure in the cartridge. Once initial negative pressure has been generated, the red plug can be removed from the cartridge. In order to dispense a defined amount of liquid from the cartridge, the drive pumps air back into the cartridge. After this dispense step, the drive rebuilds negative pressure to keep the remaining liquid in the cartridge. Since the drive only pumps air and not the liquid itself, it never needs to be cleaned or sterilized. Hence, the LIS drive can be used in a plug-and-play manner. With LIS, one can define individual feeding profiles that match a broad variety of experimental needs. Either define the feeding profile directly in the LIS drive or in the LIS software. The LIS software allows you to control and monitor all connected LIS drives wirelessly. LIS will now automatically feed the liquid into your shake flask based on your feeding profile. This allows you to unlock completely new experimental possibilities in shake flasks, such as fed batch or automated induction experiments.